Oh my god, I'm already done and you're still struggling.
I'm just talking, man. I'm talking. Ramen, mabuhay! Welcome back to FiliSwissed. So in today's video, I'm doing a collaboration reaction video to the TikTok ramen challenge that has been going around on the application. So we're going to give this a try. I have never tried this recipe before, so let's get started. I just took some very simple ramen packages. That's the only thing that's really getting cooked on the stove. Everything else gets cooked with the boiling water from that pot. These green onions or the spring onions are only for garnish, but of course we know they taste so good on ramen. So I'm gonna put that on the side first. So yes, in case you were wondering, I am not cooking at my home. I'm cooking at my friend's home over here.
Hi, welcome to my apartment. If you don't know me yet, my name is Shafi Zainuddin, and if you know me, that's good. Back to her.
I am now just really mincing the garlic. Just cut it as small as you can. Now the egg. Second one. On another bowl. Remember, I'm making for two. Now I'm gonna add some of the garlic. Apparently, Shafi has light mayo. So this is when we're starting to feel like we want to change. And I'm going to add a little bit of cheese. I will take a teaspoon at a time. Just to make, this doesn't look like a teaspoon by the way. It looks like a dessert spoon. So I'll take a dessert spoonful of the cheese. Oh my god, the struggle is real, guys.
Pathetic.
Alright, so I'm adding the soup base in here. Would be easier if I used a fork. I don't know why I'm using a spoon. I only used it for the mayo, ayo. So now I'm just going to mix. I want to make sure everything is well incorporated. This is supposed to be a creamy ramen. Alright, so I'm leaving the noodles now to cook 4.5 minutes. My nose. You see, this is what I said. Don't breathe in the soup base. Oh. Achoo!
Achoo!
Achoo! Achoo! We have our sauce. So as you can see, it is creamy. It has this red color just because of the soup base. The soup base was a bit orangey or reddish. So later, to add more heat, we will add fresh chili over here because this is what Shaki has here at home. But everything else should have a balanced flavor because we added mayo and we added cheese. Alright, so I'm just gonna take a little at a time for the water. So as you can see, I'm just gonna use the noodle water that we already have here. Add the noodles. Mix. I'm just going to cut a bit of the chili now. I am keeping the seeds, by the way, so it's going to be quite hot.
That looks really like a Japanese ramen.
Hey, look at that.
You're ready, shooter!
I love that. Oh, it's so good.
Cheers! By the way, this is not alcohol, it's Coke Zero.
We've been duped! Duped! Bamboozled!
We've been speckled, though.
Ooh!
Oh, there we go.
Ooh!
So,
This looks gorgeous. Itadakimasu! Wait, is this carbonara?
It's similar to
Ramen?
carbonara because carbonara is made with like raw egg.
Because it does taste like carbonara. It's like, I was saying the same thing in my head, like, this tastes like carbonara.
I'm all for it. This will not be the last time I'm going to make this. For me, it's just the right amount of heat. Like, I can feel the heat.
But I can still taste the eggy inside. But the taste is definitely good.
I would give it maybe a 4 or 4.5. Just because like most of these recipes did not have a measurement. I gave the measurements myself.
Oh my god, I'm already done and you're still struggling.
I'm just talking, man. I'm talking. Alright, so I'm going to finish my bowl now. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to click the like button if you like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos in the future. So please don't forget to follow Shafi Buffy. He is also a YouTuber. He has 2 accounts here, by the way. If you're Malay, he has a Malaysian account where he only speaks in Malay, so I understand it. But everyone else seems to. And of course, he also has a new English channel. Don't forget to follow that. Give it away.
Yes, it's more of the reaction videos with me and my Swiss friends, and also like anything that is in English, you know. And if you want to figure out more of what's happening in this house with me and this girl over here, come check my channel. We made a lot of videos together.
Exactly. So there you go. Don't forget to follow me on social, Instagram, and of course on Kumu, where I go live stream almost every day. So see you guys later. And shana and paalam.